Welcome back to the channel. We're back working on the 252 stroke. We just got our new cylinder right here. So, fresh cylinder, freshly plated, nice fresh, no more cracks that we gotta deal with. We gotta swap the studs over, and we can get the top end in. The suspension is currently being rebuilt right now, so we'll have that back either tonight or tomorrow. So this bike's getting done in this episode no matter what. The only other thing besides the shock is the chain, but my buddy's got that, so we got to pick that up too, and then it's pretty much put it back together and ready to ride. The next day, we got the pipe on, we got the head on, cylinder on, carb, everything back on. We got the shock spring off my 25, my stock one, so we threw that on. Shock's back in, so now the rear end's actually complete. I've been working on my exhaust. Spent like 2 hours last night, almost finished with this, poking out all the holes. I think that's why the bike was so raspy before, because obviously when they're plugged up like that, you're getting no airflow through it. So I gotta finish cleaning this up. Once that's done, then we can get back to putting the rest of it together. It is a night and day difference of how this bike sounds with the new cylinder, OEM top end, and a fully clear exhaust. We also threw a 180 main jet in, because that was what was recommended, a 180 and a 50, so that's what we're running. 50 to 1, always in my 2 strokes. Have it mixed with 105 Sunoco and 93, so it's probably around like 99-ish octane. So that's what we're going to be running in it. All that's left is the chain, bleed the brakes. So I'm just going to throw my old chain on for now until I go to my buddy's and grab his chain. I've just been lazy. I don't want to drive my truck. So we're going to throw that on, and then we'll get these brakes bled. This chain was brand new when I bought it. It was just dirty. So if it looks stiff, it's because when you buy these O-ring chains, they come so packed with grease, like they barely even move. So I'm gonna try to hit this with something, clear out some of that grease. Maybe loosen it up a little bit. But yeah, chain's on. I really never run O-ring chains just because it's so hard to get this clip on for the master link, and I just hate that, so I just never run these things. But yeah, I'm gonna clean that up a little bit, and then we'll get to bleeding the brakes. That's all set. It's clicking because that retainer for 2014 I said that should fit this bike doesn't technically fit this bike, but that rotor is going to self-clear it, so it won't click after the first ride. This rear caliper, for some reason, it's sticking really bad. I don't know if it's because of that piston that we launched across the garage. Like, the brake works. It's fully locked up. But for some reason, it's not retracting enough or something. I don't know. I gotta look at it. I don't know. But besides that, it's done. I just need to wash it because obviously the wheels are dirty. That's the one thing I didn't wash. But damn. Damn, does she look good. Comment, what do you guys think looks better, that thing or this one? We did ride this one, so it looks a little roached right now. That's how this one's gonna look this weekend. What do we think? We're at our local sand track. It's nothing special. It's kind of small, but the only thing we got open to ride, so I got my boy Ant riding right now. We're getting some clips and he's gonna throw on the GoPro. The whoops are absolutely spanked here. Probably not gonna pick it up on camera, but I mean, these things they're booters, so yeah, we're gonna get some clips of him, third person, then we'll turn on the GoPro.